trust is like glass. Once broken, it will never be the same again. No matter how carefully you try to piece it back together, the cracks will always be visible. Those fractures serve as a constant reminder of what once was and what has been lost. Trust, once shattered, may still function, but it will never hold the same strength or clarity. The integrity of the bond is compromised, and though forgiveness can mend, the perfection of what was will never return. In relationships, just like with glass, it's crucial to handle trust with care, for once it's broken, the damage is irreversible.